Welcome, my name is Mark and I am going to show you how easy it is to make Irish soda bread made with all oat flour, and I make that myself in this grinder. It works wonderful. I've been using this grinder for about 3 years or so, and I've just had to replace a couple of the carbon contacts in it. So I grind 5 cups of just old-fashioned oats, and I already did that. I put them in the bowl already, and then I put a couple of tablespoons of ground cumin, and then I ground 2 heaping tablespoons of rosemary and 1 flat tablespoon of black pepper, and I just add that in there, and then just 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh, doesn't want to come out. There we go. And then 2 kind of heaping teaspoons of baking soda. And you don't have to put any spices in, you can just have salt, baking soda, and the oat flour. And then I just kind of whisk it all together. And I also add some ground garlic as well, and a little bit of onion powder too. So I kind of do a couple of heaping tablespoons of the garlic. I just buy these bulk spices, and all the ones I have behind me there, generally speaking, on Amazon. I don't have anything nearby me in St. Augustine, Florida, at least that I've found. That gives me the convenience of purchasing these on Amazon. And I just kind of mix it up pretty good here. And then once my 5 cups of home milled oat flour is already there, then I simply add 2.5 cups. So 1, and that's 2. I knew I wasn't going to have much in there. And this is just low fat cultured buttermilk. And then for the half, I just kind of give it a good dollop there. It's probably 3/4 of a cup really. And then I switch to the spatula. And I do this pretty quick as well, because the buttermilk is reacting with the baking soda. And that's what gives it like a little bit of a rise, you know. It's still fairly dense bread. And also feel free to experiment. I do a lot, like sometimes I make a Cajun one with thyme and black pepper and cayenne and garlic. Today I put cumin in. I usually don't do that, so I just felt like something a little different. And I just bring it over here, ready. Have some oat flour on the board here. Just takes a minute to get all that dough out. Okay, looks good. And then just a little bit of flour on top. And this just does not take much working at all. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am done. And I'll just bring it over here. Put it on my baking tray, and then I just shape it. Just shape it to kind of round dome shape. I used to cut a cross in it, and I don't really bother doing that anymore. And I do all this kind of quick. As I say, the baking soda is reacting with the acidity of the buttermilk, and that gives it a little bit of a rise. And then, you know, sometimes just put a little bit of flour on top, and we are set. I'm going to put it in the oven now. It's already preheated to 400 degrees, And then I set a cook time of 45 minutes, and we're all good. Thanks for joining in.